Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. As you see, I am getting ready to do some renovating of the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it just needs a makeover. So as you can see, I've already started to tape all of the edges here. I'm going to do this wall here. You see, I've also covered up all of the sockets as well. I had one here and one down there. I've cleaned the walls as best as I can. Also, I have my supplies down here. Just went to my local hardware store. I've had this before. I just got a new one that you just slide in here, and you just keep refilling these and keep this for, you know, as many projects as you have. And so I just slide it in there. I also had a roller already available, but you can get all this from the hardware store. And this is a 9-inch roller. This is supposed to be good for all different types of walls. So smooth and ones that are a little bit bumpy as well. It's nice and soft. I like the texture of this. I am using Behr paint. This one's interior extra durable flat, scuff defense, stain blocking paint, and primer as well. I got a gallon when I went. I did have some already that I've used to do a wall in the living room. So I thought that this would be a great color to keep going, and then to just add a little bit more character to this white kitchen. I'm not really a fan of too much white. So let's get started. All right, my paint is in. I've pushed on my roller, my 9-inch onto my roller here. And so as you can see, it's completely saturated. I'm not worried about getting it perfect the first time. I just want to start putting on a coat. Once I get a coat on, then I can add more to fill in anything that's missing. So now what I'm doing is going into the corners here and painting downward these areas here that I couldn't get, so that I can take the final pass through with the roller to get everything nice and even. So I'm gonna do that all the way down there, all the way down the sides. I also have to get in here as well, sheet blue tape. So just wanna take a brush and take my time and fill all this in. All right, so the final step is to put on another final coat to make it all even out. As you can see, it's a little bit light over here, as you can see. And then I'll get into the inseams here with my brush as well to get that. But we're almost there. As you can see, I like to get a lot of paint on my brush. Just getting it on there really nice, grabbing a little bit at a time, rolling it through, make sure it's even. And see, that's ready to go. It's no drip. See, no drip. All right, guys, as you can see, I got this side completed. Just gonna let it dry a little bit more in the windowsill there. So we're going on to the other side, and yeah, I'm gonna install that faux stone, but I'll share with that in the next video. Until then, guys, take care of yourself, be creative, and trust yourself. You can do it too. All right, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.